Hello dear students, exercise 4.1, question 2, remaining parts. Part 3rd. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. In this question, we are given two members. One is Rohan, other is Rohan's mother. And Rohan's mother is 26 years more than Rohan's age. Means we have to add 26 in Rohan's age to find the age of Rohan's mother. And after 3 years, both the ages of Rohan, age of Rohan and age of Rohan mother, the product is 360. And we have to find the Rohan's present age. Now let present age of Rohan is x years. If Rohan's age is x, then his mother's age is x plus 26 years. Because we are given that Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So we have to add 26 years in the age of Rohan's. So to find the age of Rohan's mother. Now Rohan's mother age is x plus 26 years. This is the present age of Rohan and Rohan's mother. Now in the second line we are given that the product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. So after 3 years Rohan's age, after 3 years Rohan's age will be x plus 3 years. We have to add 3 in Rohan's age because we have to find the age of Rohan after 3 years. So we will add 3 to Rohan's age. And we have to find the age of Rohan's mother's age after 3 years. So we will also add 3 to Rohan's mother's age. Firstly, Rohan's present age is x plus 26. To find the age after 3 years, so we will add 3 to mother's age. So 26 plus 3, 29. X plus 29 year old is Rohan's mother's age. Now according to question, we are given that the product of their ages after 3 years is 360. So their product is Rohan's age is x plus 20, Rohan's age is x plus 3 and her mother age is x plus 29. We are given their product is equal to 360. Now according to question, we are given x plus 3, x plus 29 equal to 360. Now we will solve this question. Firstly, we will multiply x by the x plus 29. Then 3 is multiplied by x plus 29. Now x square plus 29x plus 3x plus 87 equal to 360. Now 29 plus 3 32x plus 87 minus 360 equal to 0. Now x square plus 32x 360 minus 87, our answer is 273. Now this is a quadratic form equation which is in the form of a x square plus b x plus c equal to 0. Here a is not equal to 0. Here a is 1. So it is a quadratic equation. First part is done. Now we have to find the age of Rohan's and Rohan's mother. Now the quadratic equation is x square plus 32x minus 273 equal to 0. To solve these equations, we have to use the method splitting the middle term. In splitting the middle term, we always multiply A and C, first and last term. Here is 1, 2, here is constant term is 273. So we have to find two numbers whose product is 273 and subtract. When we subtract these numbers and result, we will want 32 as a result. Now we will think two numbers. Firstly, we will make factors of 273. Then 3 is divided by 273. Our answer is 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3. Again, 13 is divided by 91. 13 7s are 91. 7 is divided by 7. Our answer is 1. Now factors of 273 is 3, 13 and 7. Arrange these factors in such a way so get two numbers whose difference is 32, like that. If we multiply these two numbers, 13 into 3, that is 39. Second number is 7. If we subtract these numbers, 39 minus 7, so our answer is 32. First condition is fulfilled. And second condition is their product is 273. So 39, when we multiply these numbers, our answer is 273. So write down 32 in two numbers by splitting into two numbers, that is one number is 39, other number is 7, like that. We want 32 as positive numbers, so we will take 39 as positive and 7 as a negative. 39x minus 7x minus 273. When we product these numbers, our answer is 273, and we subtract these numbers, our answer is 32. So now make the pair of these numbers. Firstly, first two numbers, then the last two numbers. Xk plus 39x consider as first pair. Here is sign of minus, so taking minus as common. When we are taking minus common, always change the sign of remaining terms. So all remaining terms will become positive. 7x become positive, minus 273 become positive, equal to 0. Now taking x as common from this first pair, x plus 39. Similarly, taking 7 from the second pair, x plus 7 3s are 21, 63. 7 9s are 63. So x plus 39 is common from both terms. Here we have x, here we left with only 7. So equal to 0. First factor is x plus 39 and second factor is x plus 7 equal to 0. Now either the product of two factors is 0, either one factor must be 0. Either x plus 39 equal to 0 or x minus 7 equal to 0. If x plus 39 equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 39. Or if x minus 7 equal to 0, then x is equal to 7. Now x equal to minus 39 will be rejected because age of any person cannot be a negative. Because age of any person cannot be a negative. So age of any person cannot be a negative. So we reject x equal to minus 39. We will consider only x equal to 7. So age of Rohan's present age is 7 years and Rohan's mother's age is x plus 26. So 7 plus 26, x equal to age of Rohan's mother is 33 years old. Now question 4. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, if we will decrease the speed, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Then if we will decrease the speed of a train, then train will take more time before time taken by trains. Train takes 3 hours more than to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of a train. let the speed of train is x kilometers per hour and distance covered by train is 480, which is given to us. Time taken by train is, we know the formula speed, how to calculate the speed, distance upon time. So from this we will calculate time is equal to distance upon speed. So in this question we have distance 480 and speed is x. So distance upon speed, time taken by train is 480 upon, now speed of train decreased by 8 km per hour. We have speed of train is x kilometer. Now this is decreased by 8 km per hour. So new speed of train is x minus 8. We have to subtract 8 because speed of train is decreased. So we have to subtract 8 km per hour from the speed. New speed of train is x minus 8. So time taken by now train is, distance is 480, distance is same. Now speed is x minus 8. So distance upon speed is the time taken by train. 480 upon x minus 8. According to question, we are given that this time is 3 hours more than this time. This time is greater. So 480 minus 480 upon x minus 8 minus 480 upon x equal to 3 hours, because we are given that 3 train would take 3 hours more than to cover the same distance. So difference between their time is 3 hours. Now solving this equation by taking LCM, x minus 8 and x. 480 is multiplied by x. 480 is, here is x is divided by x, cancelled. So we have x minus 8. So 480 is multiplied by x minus 8 equal to 3. Now solving this equation, 480 x, 480 x, 480 is multiplied by x plus 0, 8 6 is 64, 32 plus 6 38 upon x square minus 8x equal to 3. 480 cancels. Now by cross multiply, at 3 is multiplied by x square minus 8x equal to 3840. So x square minus 8x equal to 3 is divided by 3840. So our answer is 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 8 is 24, 0, 1 2 8 0. Now reduce it into quadratic equation, standard form. Shift this term into left side by changing their sign, equal to 0, which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1. So it is a quadratic equation. Now x square minus 8x minus 1280 equal to 0. Now we have to find the value of x. So it is solved by splitting the middle term method. We have to product first and last term, that is minus 1280. We want two numbers whose product is 1280 and difference is 8. So to find two numbers, we will firstly make the factors of 1280 in rough work like that and arrange these factors in such a way into two numbers whose difference is 8 and product is 1280, like that. 2 to the 4, to the 8, to the 16, to the 32. First number is we are taking 32 and remaining factors 2 to the 4, to the 8, 5 the 40. Second number is 40. If we subtract 32 from the 40, our answer is 8. But we want minus 8, so we have to add minus with bigger terms and plus with the smaller term. Now and product of the both number is also 1280, because we have arranged all these factors in two numbers, that is one number is 32 and 40, so their product is also 1280. Now write down these factors in place of 8x. First is minus 40x plus 32x minus 1280 equal to 0. Now make their pairs by taking first two terms and last two terms. Then taking x as common from first pair and 32 take from common from the second pair. Here we have left with 40. So x minus 40 taking as common, we have left with x plus 32. Now both product of both factor is 0. So either x plus 40 equal to 0 and x plus 32 equal to 0. If x minus 40 equal to 0, then x is equal to 40, or if x plus 32 equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 32. We will reject minus 32 because speed of any train cannot be a negative. Speed can never be a negative. So we will take only x is equal to 40, which is a speed of train. The speed cannot be negative, so we reject x equal to minus 32. We will take x equal to 40 as a speed of train. Hence, speed of train is 40 km per hour and quadratic equation is x square minus 8x minus 1280 equal to 0. Thank you.